this your preferred camera now for everything? Or you got
I got the Lumix here. Okay, we're ready for the big boat ride.
A parachuter.
You see a parachuter?
Yes. Oh, from there I can see riding.
And there's the big boat. Wow, I can see all of it.
Minne-ha-ha.
All aboard. All aboard. Everybody's putting on goopies, and for good reason. It's a high goopy environment here. Pulling up the gangplank. We're stuck now.
Cast off the stern line.
Off we go, boys.
It's my first time to the Minne-ha-ha.
Oh, really? How late in the season does this run?
I thought it would be...
Public docks and meter parking. There are no meter docks.
Parasailing. You'll be able to watch the parasail rides throughout the cruise today. And on our right-hand side is $1 Million Beach. The beach got its name in name to the lake. They got that name in 1646 when the first European to see the lake, the French Jesuit missionary. Sir William Johnson renamed the lake to honor George II, the English king at the time. So the lake became known as Lake George, and that battle became known as the Battle of Lake George. Men are not allowed on the property unless they are accompanied by a woman and have her permission.
Well, there was a caretaker.
Weowaka, you've been
I
here.
know, ladies, you'd like
I've
to
been
see
here.
that happen all year, but
It took quilt classes
break
there.
sometimes.
3 days.
If we don't sound a whistle on the next cruise, they throw rocks at us. Rostrobe and the able-bodied assistant, Mr. Ray Blanchard. And that large boat off to our left there, that is our sister ship, the Lac du Saint-Sacrement, the Saint Sacrament.
Hello!
We'll give her a little toot.
Oh, that's great.
St. Sacrament's coming in from her lunch cruise.
Nice.
And she is the largest boat on Lake George, the largest boat in the inland waters of New York State. 190
Yeah, they're not working that hard.
Oh.
There's a lot of torque there.
New sailor. Well, I'll put you to work. Really nice to meet you.
Are you having a fine journey?
Yup. Hi.
Yeah, we're about to make our turn across the lake and down the west shore.
Large summer states.
Welcome to sit back down.
Stay here a couple of weeks. and
Okay, go ahead.
Summer camp.
Which way are you going? Hold on, I'm confused. Going to the engine room again. Hold on to the rail on the way down.
Reasonably named Green Harbor. There is a natural harbor that exists between Cooper Point and the next point of land is Kramer Point.
There we are again. Back in the engine room. Brian, what do they burn to make the steam? They burn nothing, I guess. What do they burn? Nope. Ask this guy, he knows.
Fuel oil, number 2 oil. Number 2. Almost like it's used to probably heat your house.
Yeah, we got one of those.
And today the Wikiasco is maintained as a private year-round residence.
Oh, the inflatable thing? I saw that from the other side of the lake and thought it was just like a playground.
You have an in-ground pool.
Yeah.
The front is all the remains of the original Ox estate. The rest of the property was destroyed by fire. Those log cabins going up the hill there, they're called the lodges at Crest Haven. They're inside the lake up to Ticonderoga.
Oh, look at the condos in front of that giant mansion. That wasn't there before.
9N North. Another 2 down the whistle. Mansion on the hill was called Earl West by its first owner, Edward Shepard. Edward Shepard was an attorney. Later in our cruise, you'll see Shepard Park and Beach, which is named.
This was the resort that Charlie Wood built from the Earl West mansion.
That's a no-wake buoy.
Tea Island was named for a small tea
boat's gotta go
house
slow,
that
not
was
generate any
located
waves.
on the island.
That
Favorite
could
gathering
disturb any
spot.
other
I guess the large hotels of Lake George.
They don't want
Like to
people
come on
making
to
their
the
house.
I see my birthday.
You do? Yeah.
Yeah, that white
Tea
one
Island.
back there.
We have some parasailers off our left-hand side there.
Albany.
Yep.
And her kids were 19.
Okay.
Hotels and motels along Canada Street. It is the last of the mansions on Millionaire's Row,
Yeah, he wants to go. Coming too?
and it is the only one that you can see from the highway. It's just north of Lake George Village on Route 9N North. It was the first one that was built on Millionaire's Row.
Is it the
It's
one
called the
we passed
Everly.
by?
It was constructed right after the Civil War
Yes.
for Colonel C.W. Price.
Ooh, that thing's loud.
How about that? Sweet Georgia Brown.
Ooh, I love that echo.
And coming into view from behind the boardwalk, that large brick building is the
City Hall.
Lake George Historical Society Museum. It used to be the Warren County Courthouse and Jail.
Oh.
And next to that is Shepard Park and Beach. That's the area named in honor of Edward Shepard. We saw his estate Earl West further down the lake.
And we're coming in for a landing.
Yeah. There's dancing in there. They have weddings on that.
Houston, the Eagle has landed.
So give us just a moment to lower the gangway and tie off our stern. We'll be able to depart from Minne-ha-ha. I'd like to thank you for riding with us.